If the average arithmetic mean of n consecutive odd integers is 16, what's the greatest of the integers? Okay, to do this, you can first mind the expression n consecutive odd integers. This means an arithmetic sequence. And in an arithmetic sequence, the average of the values is the same as the median. So we are being told what the value of the median is. Okay, they are consecutive odd integers, right? So you can remember, what's the greatest of the integers? We need the value of the greatest. You know that if the median is the greatest, that means the greatest plus the least divided by 2 should be the median, that is 16. But on the other hand, we are told in number 1 that the range of the n integers is 6. So you have greatest minus least equals 6. So from these two equations, it's easy to isolate the value of the greatest. Okay, we have one unique value. So it's sufficient. In number 2, the least of the n integers is 13. So you have the least is 13, and you know that the greatest plus the least over 2 equals 16. Again, you have the value of the greatest after substituting the least here. Okay, sufficient as well. Option D is the answer choice.